Spoiler alert, this is not my real arm. Hello folks, Scientific Health with a K here. How much training do you need to avoid muscle loss? We all have been there. We know that gaining muscle is a very slow process. But muscle loss can happen very quickly, and this could happen in an injury or putting a cast on your arm or leg. Another example may be that you are not training at all because life got in the way or you are training less than you are used to. But here I come with the answers if you stop training or you train less than you are used to. Let's take a look at this beautiful study that investigated the effects of detraining on muscle size and strength gains. First, the subjects performed 17 weeks of resistance training phase. In this phase, they trained the quadriceps muscles for 27 sets. After that, the subjects trained only 3 sets per week, or they did not train at all for 32 weeks. Sad news. The subjects that did not train at all lost 30% of their muscle size. But, and the surprise is, the subjects who trained 3 sets per week did not lose any muscle size at all. I believe this is great news for you guys, and for me too. Now let's take a look at muscle strength. The subjects who trained 3 sets per week gained a little bit of strength, but for the subjects who did not train at all, did not show any decrease in strength. We have to take into consideration that the subject of the study were young males between 20 and 35. The study also investigated older males between 60 and 75. Unfortunately for the older males, doing a third of their training volume did not help them in keeping the muscle size. Third of their training volume was 9 sets per week. However, that was effective to keep their muscle strength. We can conclude from this study that a relatively low volume compared to the high volume that the subjects were doing can maintain muscle size and strength. The whole point of this study is to train as much as you can. My humble take on this study is you do whatever you can, train as much, and eat lots of protein. If you want to learn more, check out the other videos.